In a world focused on sustainable living, the demand for renewable energy solutions is higher than ever. People are increasingly looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint and become more energy independent. Hybrid solar systems offer a reliable and efficient energy solution that combines the best of both worlds. They integrate the benefits of grid-tied and off-grid systems, providing a versatile and resilient energy source for modern homes. These systems blend grid-tied and off-grid solar, allowing homeowners to harness the sun's power while staying connected to the conventional grid. This dual approach ensures that you have a steady supply of electricity, even when the sun isn't shining. By harnessing the sun's power while staying connected to the conventional grid, hybrid solar systems offer a seamless transition between different power sources. This means you can enjoy the benefits of solar energy without worrying about interruptions. At the heart of a hybrid solar system is the hybrid inverter, a crucial component that manages the flow of electricity. The hybrid inverter seamlessly switches between solar power, battery storage, and grid electricity, ensuring that your home always has the power it needs. The hybrid inverter is designed to optimize energy usage, switching between different power sources based on availability and demand. This intelligent management system maximizes efficiency and minimizes energy waste. On a sunny day, solar panels convert sunlight into electricity, providing clean and renewable energy for your home. This not only reduces your reliance on fossil fuels, but also lowers your electricity bills. The electricity generated by the solar panels powers your home and charges the battery bank. This stored energy can be used later when the sun isn't shining, ensuring that you have a continuous supply of power. As the sun sets, the system draws power from the batteries, ensuring uninterrupted power throughout the night. This means you can continue to enjoy the comforts of modern living without any disruptions. During a power outage, the hybrid inverter disconnects from the grid, keeping your home powered. This feature is particularly valuable in areas prone to blackouts, providing a reliable backup power source. This provides peace of mind, knowing that you and your family are prepared for unexpected outages. You can relax and enjoy your time at home, even when the grid goes down. With a hybrid solar system, you're not just investing in a sustainable energy solution, you're also ensuring power stability and security for your home. This makes hybrid solar systems an excellent choice for anyone looking to embrace renewable energy while maintaining a reliable power supply. Understanding the differences between hybrid, grid-tied, and off-grid solar systems is crucial. Each type of system has its own unique advantages and disadvantages, making it important to choose the right one based on your specific needs and circumstances. Grid-tied systems connect to the utility grid, maximizing savings through net metering, but fail during outages. These systems are ideal for those who want to reduce their electricity bills without investing in battery storage. However, they rely entirely on the grid, meaning that during a power outage, your solar panels won't provide electricity. Off-grid systems offer complete energy independence but come with higher costs and require lifestyle adjustments. These systems are perfect for remote locations where connecting to the utility grid is not feasible. They require a significant investment in batteries and other equipment to store energy for use when the sun isn't shining. Hybrid systems bridge the gap, combining grid connection with battery storage for uninterrupted power. This means that even during a power outage, you can still have electricity. Hybrid systems are becoming increasingly popular because they offer the best of both worlds, the reliability of the grid and the independence of off-grid systems. They offer net metering benefits and backup power during outages, unlike traditional grid-tied systems. This dual functionality makes hybrid systems a versatile and resilient choice for homeowners who want to ensure they have power under all circumstances. Hybrid systems provide flexibility and peace of mind, eliminating the need for strict energy conservation. With a hybrid system, you can use your appliances and electronics without worrying about running out of power, even during a blackout. They balance energy independence, cost-effectiveness, and convenience. Hybrid systems are designed to optimize energy usage, reduce electricity bills, and provide a reliable power source, making them an excellent investment for the future. This makes them a popular choice for comprehensive and reliable solar solutions. As more people become aware of the benefits of hybrid systems, their adoption is expected to grow. providing a sustainable and dependable energy solution for homes and businesses alike. A hybrid solar power system comprises several key components working together. Solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into DC electricity. The hybrid inverter converts DC to AC electricity and manages power flow between solar panels, batteries, and the grid. Batteries store surplus solar energy for later use, with lead acid and lithium-ion being common options. A monitoring system provides real-time data on energy production and system health. Installing a hybrid solar system involves several steps. First, a site assessment and system design are conducted. Next, necessary permits and approvals are obtained. Solar panels are then installed on the rooftop. The hybrid inverter and battery bank are installed in a safe location. Qualified electricians connect the system to your home's electrical panel. A net meter is installed for grid-tied functionality. Finally, the system undergoes testing to ensure proper functioning. The efficiency and performance of a hybrid solar system are crucial. Solar panel efficiency impacts overall system performance. High-efficiency panels generate more electricity, leading to greater energy production. Battery capacity determines how much surplus energy can be stored. The hybrid inverter's efficiency rating affects energy conversion. Shading and orientation of solar panels play a role in maximizing sun exposure. Weather conditions can impact solar production, requiring adjustments in energy consumption. Embracing hybrid solar technology offers numerous benefits. It provides energy independence and resilience during power outages. Long-term cost savings are substantial, with government incentives further offsetting costs. Hybrid systems reduce carbon footprints, contributing to environmental sustainability. Homes with hybrid systems have increased property value and marketability. Technological advancements in solar technology benefit hybrid systems. Hybrid solar systems offer cutting-edge solutions for energy needs. Before installing a hybrid solar system, consider several factors that can significantly impact the performance and cost-effectiveness of your investment. Conduct a comprehensive home energy audit to determine the appropriate system size. This audit will help you understand your current energy consumption patterns and identify areas where you can improve energy efficiency before adding solar panels. Assess the suitability and orientation of your roof to ensure maximum solar panel efficiency. Factors such as roof angle, shading from nearby trees or buildings, and the structural integrity of your roof play a crucial role in the effectiveness of your solar system. Select the right battery bank capacity based on your energy consumption and budget. A well-sized battery bank will store excess energy generated during the day for use at night or during power outages, enhancing the reliability of your solar system. Choose an inverter type and capacity that aligns with your solar panel array. The inverter is the heart of your solar system, converting the direct current, DC, generated by the panels into alternating current, AC, used by your home appliances. Research financial incentives and rebates available in your area to reduce upfront costs. Many governments and utility companies offer substantial incentives that can make solar installation more affordable. Careful planning ensures the system's effectiveness and efficiency. Work with a reputable solar installer to design a system that meets your energy needs and fits your budget. These considerations help in making an informed decision, ensuring that your investment in a hybrid solar system is both wise and beneficial for the long term. Maintaining your hybrid solar system ensures optimal performance. Regularly clean solar panels to maximize sunlight absorption. Check battery health and perform maintenance tasks. Inspect the hybrid inverter for dust buildup and ensure proper ventilation. Review data from the monitoring system to track performance. Schedule professional inspections for thorough system checks. Regular maintenance safeguards your investment. This maximizes energy savings for years to come.